How to backup calls, contacts, and messages to USB drive on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, we're going to plug in the adapter to the phone and then plug in the USB drive. Alright, so once it is plugged into the device, we now swipe down at the top and tap on settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on accounts and backup. Then tap on external storage transfer. Now it says USB storage device was disconnected. That's okay. So we tap on this again. And then here, choose just calls, contacts, and messages. Then tap on next. Now allow the phone to start backup to your USB drive. So it will give you a progress bar here and what it is backing up. So messages takes a bit longer. Now tap on next and then tap on done. Okay, so it is now backup and you can access them from the USB storage. So here I choose custom, then tap on next, and then you can choose what to restore. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.